For me, one of the worst forms of anti-Semitism is Holocaust denial, because I call it memory-cide. It is the second time that first the Jews were murdered, then the memory of the Jews is murdered. But it's not just that. I remember sitting in Kigali, in Rwanda, a year after the genocide. This was a meeting of the survivors. Intergenerational, you had Armenians, international, you had Cambodians, and you had American native tribes, Indians. You had, and of course, you had Jews, Rwandans. And we sat there in the dark, and it was like a communion. And that communion, when they told their stories, what was a potato, what was a suitcase, what were all of these things, it was like what I heard from survivors, Jewish survivors. And there was total respect. There was not a pecking order among the importance or the numbers or the brutality of the different genocides, the atrocities. There was this communion. In a way, I felt a little bit out of the circle, because I am only a survivor once removed, 22 miles of water. So that has led me, and I have an essay in a book which is called The Uniqueness of the Holocaust. I militate against those who want to place holocausts or genocides. I see it as an avenue. It's an avenue of genocide, and each one is a signpost along a certain way.